For this project I'm gonna need a longer drill bit, so my plan is to join these two pieces together. Let's see how it's done. All right, it looks like this, and we'll see if it breaks later on. Oh, and the diameter is 6 millimeters on this. So, what is this new project about then, you may ask? It's about this: a reverse action spark plug thread chaser. And why will I make such a tool? Well, if the threads get damaged here in the beginning, you can't mount the spark plug. With this tool, you can clean up the threads from the inside and out, and then you will be able to mount the spark plug. That's the purpose of this tool. So let's make it. All right, I will start with turning this down to about 16 mil diameter. Alright, let's see what we got here then. We'll take a little bit more. Well, I think that is good enough. Okay, next thing to do will be to turn down this to 14 millimeters diameter and then thread it with M14 and the pitch will be 1.25. And this length 20 millimeters. And now we're going to turn down this part 30 millimeters length and the diameter about 10 millimeters. Change the speed. Okay. Okay, let's do some threading then. And we check. Yeah, that's quite alright. Okay, let's see if it fits. Yeah. That was okay. Alright, next thing to do will be to drill this out with a 6 millimeters drill bit but I will start with a 3.5 drill bit, and then I will use this drill bit 6mm standard, and then I use my longer drill bit, and I'm going to drill all the way to here. So let's go. Now I have reached as far as I can with this shorter drill bit, and now it's time for this longer one, and I have made a mark here how deep I had to go, and it's about there. So let's see how this gonna work out. Alright, it's a bit hot, I think, but it's drilled all down here, so that's alright. And this drill bit didn't break. And now I'm using an 8mm end mill to make the hole bigger in this part. 8mm diameter. Here we go again. I'm using end mill 8.5, make the hole a little bit bigger. Okay, next thing will be just to cut off this piece. Some cleaning up the face. And as you can see, the hole isn't centered. But I don't think that is not gonna matter. We'll see. Well, as you can see, this uncentered, crooked hole doesn't matter. This M6 threaded rod goes through easy peasy. The main thing is that this hole is pretty centered. That's the important. Okay, time to drill some holes, and here's the setup of this. I have this as a stop here. So I put the camera on the tripod and we do some drilling. look here, what happened? Not very good. Alright, I will make a new one and then we try it again. These holes are much too big. They need to be much smaller. So I will make a new one and we go from there. Okay, here's the new tool I made with smaller holes and a bit shorter thread length, and I'm not going to use a slitting saw this time to cut these slots here. I'm going to use a cut-off disc like this, which you normally use with an angle grinder. So let's see how it goes. Alright, here's the result. This time I did it without any failures. What do you call that? Learning by doing, maybe. And one thing more. I got the hole in the center here, and even in this end. We can compare it to the first one. It's a difference, you see. And what's more, I made the thread a bit shorter, and the holes, as you can see, much smaller, 2.5 millimeters. So next thing to do will be to mill a hexagon right here on this end. Time to make this little guy sitting here. Okay. And now we need some kind of knob that goes on right here. So let's make one. Well, the tool is now ready. I have made some minor changes to this, and the first one is that the hole that's inside here are now 9mm, and another thing is that the hole here that I drilled 6mm, I drilled it up to 7. It's 7mm now. And one other thing, as these holes, I drilled them with 2.5mm, but they are now 3mm. That's the changes I made to this tool. Well, how do you use this tool then? Well, first of all, it's a good idea to put some grease on here. And then you get all the debris out of the cylinder head, out of the threads, and not falling in the cylinder. And another thing is that you must take care of that the piston is not on top dead center, but a bit lower, so you don't hit the piston with this. And how to use it then? This particular cylinder head has no damage to the spark plug threads, but anyway, I'm going to show you how to use it. So you compress this. You can do that by compressing here with the tool, and then you got this smaller diameter, and then you take care of this is not pressed into this hole here. And how do you use it? Well, you just type of wiggle it in the cylinder head like so. Now I follow inside here, and when I follow inside, you could just you could screw here, or you can just pull this I show you how it looks on the other side. So this is how it looks on the other side. And when I pull this, the knob, and then you got this little guy inside here. Next thing to do is to be very careful and feel that you don't get any cross threads with this tool. It takes a little training, I think. No, I think I got this going. And then you just turn it, and it will clean up your damaged threads and take out the debris at the same time out of the cylinder head. That's a good thing. So there you have it. This tool can save your day, I think. Well, that's all I have to say for now. I thank you for watching, and I catch you on the next one. Bye bye.